Sa triathlon naman, inaasahan ng defending champion at Philippine triathlete na si Kim Andrew Remolino na mas magiging matindi ang level ng labanan ngayong taon sa magaganap na National Age Group Triathlon ngayong weekend sa Subic. Yan ang ulat ni teammate Paulo Salamatin.
Sasandalan ngayon ni Cebuano triathlete at national team member Andrew Kim Remolino ang kanilang mga naging pagsasanay nitong nakalipas na linggo upang madepensahan ang titulo sa sasalihang 2025 National Age Group Triathlon na magaganap ngayong weekend sa Subic Bay Freeport. Maliban sa mga bagong rising triathletes na lalahok sa nasabing kompetisyon, magiging matindi rin ang level ng race ngayong taon dahil isa ito sa mga magsisilbing qualifying event ng national team kung sino ang isasabak para sa paparating na Southeast Asian Games sa Disyembre sa Thailand. Sa panayam ng Radyo Pilipinas 2, ibinahagi ni Remolino kung gaano kahalaga at crucial ang pagdepensa nito sa kanyang titulo ngayong taon sa nasabing kompetisyon.
For now po, the main goal is to get the either first or second, but to secure talaga the place, I need to get the first place po ngayon since there are two main races po for our qualifying. This one in AGT and as well as Subic this coming May. I think it's the first week of May. So, yun po, I need to parang secure the position for now para po when it comes to Subic na po, Subic, I just need to prove it again and as well as get the place again for me to secure talaga the slot for SEA Games pa.
Sa kabila nito, dagdag pa ni Remolino na hindi magiging madali ang kompetisyon ngayon lalo't maraming mga bagong pangalan na nagnanais na makuha ang kampyonato ngayong taon.
We can see na there are like new talents rising and we can see na parang talagang everyone's trying to catch up to us or everyone's here on our level na talaga, so we need to step up pa po na talagang to improve the level as well of the competition pa.
Ibinahagi rin ni Remolino ang kanilang bagong miyembro ng national team na si Franklin Yee at isa sa mga nakikita niyang magiging contender sa men's elite category ng nasabing kompetisyon.
We actually had our competition last weekend. We had a fun run. Naglaro po kami sa Cebu City Marathon for the last few weekends po pala. 2 weeks ago. We ran the 12K category. So, I think it was a really nice race na to assess din po the level. He actually beat me sa run.
Wow!
That race. Kasi he's a pure runner po. So, I think it's a really good measure and I think he's a very talented din po.
Yes.
Especially with his run. And I think he's really improving on the bike din po as well. So, he's gonna be a really good asset for the national team. And lalo na with this work ethic na talagang nakikita ko na sobrang bihira yung mag-skip ng training. So I think it's gonna be a really good arsenal for the team pa.
Paulo Salamatin para sa Atletang Pilipino para sa Bagong Pilipinas.